Hi there! So don't be afraid of him, but he actually needs our help with it. We need to help him with his teeth. We need to brush it. But instead of brush, we can choose the brush tool and choose the white, change the size of the brush, and just trying to use the brush. But it's not the best way. It's not the appropriate way because you see, okay, we can change the opacity to reduce the opacity and do the same stuff with it. Let's change the size again, like this, and do like this. Or you can use maybe Dutch tool and doing like this. You can make his teeth a little bit brighter. But we have the fast way. It's a tricky way, but it's better decision in this case. Let's undo all the actions. And here is the original yellow teeth. And let's just try the best way to help him. So all we need to do is select the lasso tool, and with lasso tool we just need to select the area with his teeth. And after that we just go to the file menu, layer tab, and down to new adjustment layer, and over to hue and saturation. Hit OK. And after that we just need to select here yellows, because we have yellows, and just drag to the left saturation of his teeth, like that. Okay, I think it's done. So let's check it. Before and after. Before and after. And now we can definitely say that his toothpaste helped him. Of course, with our help. And we're gonna see you in the next video.